Spanish Town. You see me I say? I don't hide my location. You see me I say? Because I'm proud of where I come from. And that's one thing with me. So, I see people are throw up things when be able to come on my page and write. So, let me tell you something. This is not about, I'm not trying to justify nothing, see? I don't want to record and take this. So me now as a youth, me come from Jamaica, 15-year-old, 14-year-old, my brother named Cody. Move come a foreign. So, when you move go a foreign, what is the aim? The aim when you move from Jamaica, when you left from a place like Spanish Town where the realness, zinc fence, whatnot, yeah? And you go to foreign, the aim is to get a better life, right? So my aim was to get a better life. Cut long story short, my thing very simple. Now record now to run with this. So, the first mother of my child called Shireen, I meet her, but she never liked my music. Ask the mother, she don't like nothing about my music. She don't like no music when I do. She never interested. It was 2015, 14, 2004, 5, 6. And it's like, you know when you do music in the house and you bring it back and you make she listen to it, she never want to hear it. She used to listen to S Club 7, N-Dubs, B2K, Pretty Ricky. She don't want to hear my music. I work on a site, ask the mother. I wake up 7 o'clock every morning. I bring home money in the house. I bring home my paint house, my fix house. This for years. In the coal. And you know that girl that don't support me none at all. She never believe in me none at all. She look at me and tell me, say, I'm not be no star. I'm not going to become nobody. Zin? This is the mother of my child. Zin? So, I use her as a motivation. There's a song called Call Me a Yardie. Call me a Yardie. Call me a Yardie. I actually met that song because of her. She used always say, look a Yardie boy. You know? You know when you're on a passport, you're on a papers, you cannot travel, you get frustrated. Yeah. So, my aim is for a better life in England. Better life in England and Jamaica. Boom. You know? We make a child, beautiful boy, Javian. Then we realize things will get worse. Because now we're tired or not. She tell me something if you stop the music and just stay home with her and you know the Tesco England life. You and your woman a baby. You go Tesco a date and you come back home, right there, you watch EastEnders. Fuck that. Me never interested in that. My aim was for build up. Which where me come from. You know, build up, you know. Them roof here, fix the roof them, make my mother live better. So she never liked that. So, listen to me now. Any English girl or any girl from America who there with a Jamaican man supposed to know what I talk about. Any Jamaican man who they are foreign supposed to know. Colorado, I'm going to eat that. So, she tell me I'm not going to become a star. She tell me I'm going to just stay home, work on the site, do the site work and come home back. Fuck her good at night time. That's all she happy with. Me never happy with that. My aim was to become a star. Where I can make money, finish my legacy, what my father was doing. You understand me? So, 10 years past now. And for the last 10 years, people, I've been going through this non-stop. She not allow me to see my son. She not allow me to see me. Anytime I see me put my son on the Instagram, it's like, I have to do something just. I have to beg her. I have to say, Shireen, please, ask my son Javian. So, the whole story now, you know, my career start take off. I meet Lisa. When I meet Lisa, she hate Lisa because Lisa was supportive with my music. Lisa support me. You know, me and Lisa go out. We used to sell my CD. Lisa support me. This girl never support me once. Boom. With my passport and my papers, I was still illegal. I was illegal up till 2012. When I do free up, you know, it's because of the music. The music money me save, put all of money them together. I drop a song called My Youth. If you don't listen, you know that song My Youth. You don't want to get rushed, My Youth. I pay for that myself, pardon the money. Ask my mother. That blow me up, give me a name in England. That money of My Youth That's what makes me Styler G right now. You understand me? That money me take and me start, me just say, yo, this is it. So, years after now, when my career get up there, this girl, black, it's like she don't want me to play a part in my son's life. And it hurt me so much. And, you know, as a man, I don't know any other man I go through this, but look, there ain't no filter, me no dress up, me no fix up. Me no give a fuck because it's a pain that me I go through for years, you get me? So, yeah. And then she write up things that me now take care of my son. But she bring me to child support, and when the child support pop up, the child support was £170 a month. So she realized I was giving her more money. You understand, my mom? May I give her more money than with the child support request. So she not bother with the child support. She said, okay, let's work together. So I start transferring money to her every month. Cool. No problem. Me and her together. Me I look after Javian. If you look at my son, every time I have him on the gram, I take him out. Every time I put my son on the gram, I take him out. I buy him shit every time. Anything he wants. Jamaica, I want to come to Jamaica, I fly him out. Check everything. You see my Instagram, that's why I don't delete nothing. So now, she bitter because Styler G is blowing up. Styler G has become this big star. And I don't look on her none at all. I don't look on this girl none at all. I've stopped transferring money to her last year because I realized she take the money and she's not spending it on my son. She got Turkey, she got Las Vegas, all these places with my money. I tell her to open up an account for my son, it work. So every time I'm transferring money, I transfer money direct to my son. So anybody, all them people, I soon write up comments, uno soon feel it. Because all of my Jamaicans, them where they abroad, know how it go. You fuck them foreign girl are good, and them try, them think say them help you with your papers, and then feel like say them own you for life. Sure in Cranston, you don't own me for life. You don't own me for life. Let me tell you something. Me I come from here, so Spanish town. Spanish town, when we live in our one bedroom house, me and my father. I see my father and my mother have sex, and me and Cody sleep on the floor. Now tell me, you think me I go really itch up in a house and go from Tesco and watch EastEnders and itch up in a council flat, my girl? Let me tell you something. That not go work, Shireen. And it upset me now because I know me I look after my kids them. There ain't no problem with that. It upset me so bad. You would think me I go itch up in a house and just fuck you and just go Tesco and come back and sleep at night time? A matter of fact, she didn't give me bun. Me get bun because the first time, that's when I decide to leave. You know? My paint house. My paint house. I put up everything. I put up skirt and my fitting kitchen. And the girl locked me up and sent me to jail. And then when I call from jail, is a man in the background. I say, who is that on the phone? It's from this people. My heart break. I'll be honest. This was 2001. So from I get bun, after being that Tesco man and EastEnders man, she still give me bun. So I say, alright, here I go. Take my bun and move on. I say, sure, and here I go. Move on. Move on. So if me get my bun and I move on, if me get all of this touch and I move on, I still send money to you, my girl. I even give her a job in Lotus. She was working in Lotus the other day. Tag Nick. You see me I say? Me give the girl a job in a Lotus. She start arguing with the people them, cuss the people them. She worked there for like few. She cannot tame. So she is the typical English girl that just don't like Jamaicans. I don't know how she end up breathe for me. But yeah, it hurt me, it upset me. And I just have to be real. Right now, I'm in a Spanish town. I try to fix my people them. I fix my family. I fix where we are come from in our life. You understand me, brother? You get me? Them English, most of them just want to sit down and take body in them blood clot pussy and go to Tesco and watch EastEnders. Me no depend that. Me decide I want to fix where I come from, people. So if me decide I want to fix where I come from. See my mother there? My mother still there. Look after me and my father look after me. So Shireen Cranston from Edgeley Road. Since you want me to tell them which way you come from. Just please stop. I'm begging you. Please, my girl, just stop. Leave me alone. I decided I never wanted the Tesco and the EastEnders life. So just understand with me, please. Please understand with me, please. You understand me? Find the next man who can fuck you good. Find the next man who can comfort you like how me used to comfort you. It's simple. It's very simple. I make me agitate up myself now, because the reason why is because I love my kids them, and anybody talk nothing bad about me and my kids them, I get brew, my girl. I get brew. And millions me having on my Jamaican account and hundreds of thousands on my English account. I can show you right now. I don't run joke when it comes to money, brethren. Yeah? And I build my empire now. I build my house. I buy my house them. I build my house them. That's where my future is. So Shurin, I beg you, please. I beg you. Just leave my son, make me and Javian get on. Javian if you hide. Where my phone wash it? Around 3 number now, Javian if you get. How can my son, my own son, want to talk to his dad? He must buy SIM card. She can't beat him. And now she beat him, come and tell me. So that's what I'm saying. If me have to go to the proper way of doing it. You know why I don't go to the proper way? Because I like an idiot. Me I run go to court and family court. You see me, some of us deal with it. I say, you know what, it's a woman and you know them emotional, some of us deal with the thing. You see what I say? But right now you're on my Instagram Shurin. I show what all of these websites please, my beg you, please. I just try to build my empire now. My empire. Don't break it down. I want to build my empire. So my son fly come to Jamaica and can see one big house. When my dad left it in a theme name. You just depend on this EastEnders and this test cutting and fuck at night time and stay in a council flat. Me not depend that. You understand me? So simple. Me not do that video for prove. Me just do that video for clear myself. Dims, my mother there so. Ask my mother. She can't tell you how much time. Biggie, I like Biggie. You see me flying my son, ocean, everything. My daughter, I do this for my kids. I don't do this for nobody else. The whole of my money in my account now stuck to build my house, my kids, them and set up my thing. So Shurin Cranston, I beg you, leave me alone, please. I beg you, leave me alone, please. Because, yeah, I come from Homestead. We live in a one little small bedroom. Me, my mother, and Jackie Chan grew up in that. And my father used to tell me, say, boy, when you grow up, make sure you buy a house and make sure you build up. That's my aim. Never want to live the Tesco life, my girl, and the EastEnders life. And that's what hurts you. I wanted to become a star. I know that I was a star. I was a musician. So, you never believe in me. And you say that I'm talentless. So I'm saying to you, my girl, just make me and my son have a relationship. I send money to his account, the same account I tell you to open for him. I trick you into that. The nationwide account. Yeah, I can show more figures, but I don't want to show too much figures on my thing. I can get my phone there, Washi. Get my phone from me, please. Because I feel like a joking thing with the No, I can't show them figures, bro. I can't show them enough more figures. I have over 100,000 pounds in my account right now. I'm not have to tell nobody nothing. And when it comes to Jamaicans, it's millions. I got millions in my next account. I build my future. Because I realize most of the youth them, my father never build him future. Not for my friend them father never build him, never set nothing for we. We never inherit nothing. You understand my worship? So I set it so my son can have a nice way in life and my daughter. So you have a problem with that? Just leave me alone, please, man. Let me just do my thing, man. I tell you, man, trust me. Everybody there has witness. So yeah, when you make me have to go live and all that shit, trust me, man. Yeah, that's just what it is, man. My hands slip out and bear things. These are from Wadia. So yeah, just this man, let me see this message my bear mother right and from foreign. And the whole thing about this, enough man they are foreign go through this.